is a lot, maybe entirely about the power of your mind and the power of your words. And Planetary Peace, Power, and Prosperity, which is a 501c3 educational foundation founded under the IRS rules in the United States of America, it is a semantic solution to all the human created suffering on the planet. Now, I'm not talking about tornadoes or hurricanes or that kind of stuff. I'm talking about human words and the power of the human mind. And when we master our words and we master our own minds, peace, power, and prosperity will become planetary, but it's inner work for each and every person on this planet. Sounds like Mission Impossible, I think.